What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for SoFi, and I did my analysis last week Thursday. And since last week Thursday, you can see price did drop down to the breakout point, and it looks like we're finding support from there. So does this look like a successful breakout, or are we going to fade back inside of the range? So let's go over the chart. So this was the prior range pattern in play, and it's good to keep an eye on the strong patterns in the past because they might come into play later. So you can see that price was inside this range from April 2022 to about June of this year. And then obviously price broke outside of it. And right now it looks like sellers are having a tough time coming back inside of this range. So they're going to try 2 times, right? So this is the first attempt. Prices bounced from the $8 level, went up, and this was the second attempt. So the second attempt could fail, meaning we don't have to reach the measurable target at the $7 level, and this $8 level might be stronger, so it might not let the sellers, get to their target. It could fail. However, it could also succeed. So sometimes the second attempt, like we just saw right now, is in the form of 2 legs. So if someone buys right now, there's a good chance we might just go up just a little bit more and then dump down to reach the target. So we could see that occur. But if we maybe do a higher low, meaning we bounce up, we come back down, and it looks like, we want to go up higher again, maybe a higher low, then that's the signal or the setup for higher prices. But as right now, it's a little too early. I know probably some traders are going to be aggressive and enter long right here. Maybe put the stop loss below this green candle here or even this red one. Maybe target the highs. But right now it's a little too early. There's a good chance this could fail, and we could see that second attempt down continue to the measure move target. We'll have to wait and see. But why is there a reason for price to continue higher? Is because we just broke outside of this uptrend channel, and normally we come back up to retest the prior high in the form of 2 attempts. So right now we only saw 1 attempt up for the bulls. At the same time, 2 attempts down for the bears. So the bears tried 1 attempt, 2 attempts to reach the measurable target, and at the same time, the bulls only tried 1 attempt. So they got 1 more attempt left in the bag to retest this prior high or even exceed it. So if we see, the upward momentum, there's a good chance it might continue higher. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily chart. I want to mention one more thing, is that, if we double the range, then the target is also higher at the $11 level. So that would be the next target if SoFi continues to break out higher and higher. But as right now, it's still finding support at this breakout point. It does look like, the shorts are unable to come back inside this range, which shows signs of strength. It's a bullish imbalance. But again, it's not confirmed until we see maybe another attempt down from the sellers. So that's what I would be expecting to see. Sometimes you can get away with just this first attempt down that is small for the second attempt if there's a channel in play, but I don't really see a channel, so I think traders are probably just going to be waiting for more confirmation. A higher low or even a triple test of this support might be the trigger for a long. So that's all I have on the daily chart, but it's good that it's not falling back inside the range for the longs. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So the weekly chart again shows practically the same thing. Obviously price broke outside of this ranging pattern, and it looks like we could get another push up higher to retest this low $10 level and potentially even reach the $11 level. So right now price is still outside the range. This still looks pretty good. Most breakouts fail if the range is very strong, but look at this breakout right here. It hasn't failed yet, meaning it hasn't come back inside this range. So if it hasn't come back inside this range, it might want to continue to trend up higher. So that's why I'm saying there's a good chance we could still see price trend higher. So basically price was previously inside of a downtrend. So this was the prior downtrend in play. It's no longer in play right now. The downtrend shifted into a range, and now we might be shifting into a potential reversal or an uptrend. So that's how the market works. It goes from ranges to trends, and then trends to ranges. So right now, this could be the start of another trend. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, we're in the second attempt for the sellers. It looks like they could be failing. What I want to see is a bounce up and a pullback, and then that would confirm if we're not going to go lower anymore. As right now, we still can go lower, so I'm not sure if we're going to go higher right now. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week's Thursday, and I'll give you guys an update next week Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.